Hi, I'm Amy Hughes. I'm from the UK. 200-hour course, Vinyasa Ashtanga. Oh, most challenging part was definitely underestimating the course. It has been really physical, really emotional, spiritual as well. It's been a bit of a roller coaster from start to finish. But I've really relished in the opportunity and the challenge. And I'm really, really excited to start becoming a teacher and seeing that journey unfold. Oh, the people, it's been so nice getting to know the teachers, the other people on my course, and also the animals. I'm going to miss Prana, and all the monkeys and the cows, and just, yeah, being able to go for a dip in the sea afterwards. And yeah, learning so much. It's been really, really amazing. I think when we were doing the partner yoga, and we had to stare really deeply into each other's eyes, which I always find really overwhelming. And then we were asked questions about like who's inspired us in our lives. And of course, my mum and like lots of lovely people I've met along the way. And I think that made me very overwhelmed, very emotional. And it was really nice to share that with a fellow trainee who also started crying. So it was lovely. It was nice. Learning about the chakras, learning about the prana and the movement of energy, deepening my understanding of energy channels and how to connect outward and inward has been really, really interesting. And of course, anatomy as well. Learning every bone and muscle in the body has been really, really interesting. Yeah, the teachers have been great. We've been so lucky. We've had Robin and Victoire most of the time and Chelsea, and it's just been, they've been so supportive, so creative, so inspiring, and really, yeah, such wonderful role models, and all the Karma Yogis too. Do it if it's already on your radar and you're interested in yoga and finding out more about the philosophy, more about yourself, more about how to deepen your practice inward and in your body, then do it. It's a really beautiful course. Even if you don't plan on becoming a teacher, it's something that everyone I think should do on their yoga journey, just to understand more about themselves and why it's not just about asana.